friends, today we are going to learn how to create a bar and bar chart. Secondly, how to create a transparent bar chart, and also the use cases of bar and bar chart in real time. Hey, it's your friend Srikanth, who is a Tableau practitioner trainer on Tableau. Without any further delay, let's start building bar and bar chart. For that, we are going to bring current year wise YTD and previous year YTD sales, and then we will create a bar and bar chart with using region. For that, let's bring region onto the view. I already have current year sales, current year YTD sales, and previous year YTD sales in the visualization. Let me show you the calculations which I have written. For the current year YTD sales, I have written the following calculation. And for the previous year YTD sales, I have written the following calculation. We are not going much into the calculation part because we'll be dealing with that in different types of calculations, which we are going to discuss in a separate video. So for this chart, let's create a bar and bar chart. To create a bar and bar chart, we have to perform a dual axis so that one bar sits inside one another. And we are converting this automatic to bars. As I have said, we will be also discussing a transparent bar chart. If you want to convert it to a transparent bar chart, first thing we have to decrease the opacity to 0 and use a border. Currently, I am using blue color. And we'll be decreasing the size of the second measure, which is going to display the bar and bar. This is how we'll be using the bar and bar charts in the visualization. Let's hide the axis, synchronize the axis, and hide the axis. Let's make it entire view and display the labels. We can also format the labels using dollars. This type of bar and bar charts will be useful when we are comparing with one measure with the other measure. So in real-time cases, we can use these bar charts for comparing budgets versus actual analysis, market research analysis, stock portfolio analysis, wherein we can compare one measure of actual with the current one, or else we can also compare between the two brands within the features of a product. So that's all for this day. You can subscribe and let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.